What's up, boys? Good morning. And before I start this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I'm in my room, just woke up. Where am I at? 705 of you guys, bro. Goddamn. That's a lot of people. I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. But with that said, let's get into this video. Motor. Alrighty, so last episode we got the front headers on and I cleaned up the front of the engine. Also really made sure this was sealed. There's a gasket and then gasket sealer also throughout the whole thing, so the headers won't leak no more. But I also brought a very willing companion that will do a bunch of labor for free.
He bought me a drink.
So I don't really know what else we could probably get spark plugs in this side of the motor, and I need to clean up this stuff. This is where the mouse was camping out at, but it's okay. All right, so today we're just gonna be disassembling more of the Stealth. We're gonna remove the alternator, probably the AC condenser, and finish. I have like 1-2 more things still connected. Remove spark plugs, swap those all over because they're all pretty new. NGK. What else do I have back here to really do? Axles. We can try to remove the axles from the car as well today. That would be really nice to do. Alright, so basically this is going to be a time lapse of just us taking shit apart. I might get a couple close-ups and like cinematic shots for you guys, but besides that, we're just going to get to work. Oh yeah. Alrighty. This thing is in desperate need of a clean. Look at that. Oh my god. That is filthy. We're gonna clean this off. Cause what the fuck?
Look at the buildup. Crazy buildup. Caked on. Caked on.
Engine degreaser. Parts cleaner. On the alternator. Okay, so we just got the alternator out. I just kind of undid the belt after loosening the alternator, and the belt's now out. We're now going to go back to the motor, see what we are missing, and then come back and grab it.
Where's the alternator bolts?
The alternator bolts, I have one right here. Let's find them. Okay, the alternator's not new by any means, but hey, you can tell it's a Mitsubishi. We're just gonna, like, the car's not gonna run for a while, so it'll be completely dried out. Alright, so I know the AC condenser needs to come out, but I don't know exactly how it comes out. Yeah. There we go. Alright, one belt. Seems to be in okay condition, too. Oh, I can't wait to have a leak-free engine, bro. Yo, apparently with new cars, they're using one-time connectors. You hear anything about that?
Yeah.
They really do not want people messing with shit. Okay, next up is going to be the AC condenser. It's that thing right there. I'm gonna try and knock that out. Well, there it goes. Easy removal. Can y'all see that little silver speck right there? Shit, we're gonna try to get this. That's in there. So I'll prop it up there. I want this 10. Oh my god. Let's go. 10 millimeter. Okay, so how I got these rear headers on, don't mind the weird, like the terrible gasket job. Those rear headers right there, they're easiest to get off from up top, believe it or not. So we're gonna be digging behind the motor to get those off because the engine's not gonna have enough clearance. Because how the headers are is, imagine my hand is the engine block, okay? So the headers come off, they go down, and then straight across. So basically that's the problem. All right, we're taking a quick smoke break. It's underneath the car for quite a bit. I got the O2 sensor and the headers disconnected from the mid pipe. So that's done, and now I can start disconnecting them from up top. The impact also died while I was underneath the car, so no more impact. We're just gonna have to use good old fucking breaker bar. Okay, so I got the headers in the back disconnected. We're about to pull them out now. This should be fun. They were a pain in my ass to install, so I can only imagine. Actually, to be honest, the removal process has been going pretty smooth. I'm not gonna lie, it's been pretty smooth, so we're gonna hope it stays that way. Alrighty, let's get underneath here. Hood up, protect the hair, at least attempt to. Alright. So, how does this come off now? Is the question. Engine mount. Ah, that's right. I'll show you all what I'm talking about. Okay, so that engine mount right here. If I can get y'all down here. All right, there we go. There y'all see. Y'all can see perfectly. Okay, here's headers right here. This engine mount is in the way. So, all right. Well, we'll fix this. What you up to, brother? Whoa, 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 whoa. You took off the wrong ones.
What the fuck are you talking about?
After a long battle, as you can tell by my hair, we got these bitches out. The rear headers are out. The rear mount is also out because you have to take that out to get the headers in and out. I remember doing it now. Definitely a pain in the fucking ass. Alrighty, so Aaron, with a little bit of help, got the exhaust manifold off. So now what we are gonna do is actually head the motherfucking... We're gonna head the autos in. So this was the hardest part of doing my clutch, and it's probably gonna be the hardest part of doing this engine swap, is getting this fucking bolt off. I hate this bolt. I hate this bolt with a passion, okay? It is torqued to an unbelievable number, okay? But not just that, it just does not want to come off. And it's gonna be the same way on the other side, but it's just not gonna want to come off. We'll figure it out. It's gonna come off. I'm gonna stay here. It's 4 o'clock now. We're gonna stay here until about 6. So whatever progress we get done from now until then, we'll just be in touch, you know? Okay, no, I did not just sit here with a breaker bar or that weak ass little fucking impact from Harbor Freight. Do not do that. My uncle, who's also good with mechanics, let me borrow his actual impact, and I got both of those bolts off in a matter of a couple of seconds. So never mind. That's not the hardest part. Prying it out's gonna be the hardest part. after a very long day, I'm done with the car. My hands are filthy. I smell like transmission fluid. All fluids have officially been drained out of the car. I'm about to store them all and get ready to take them somewhere. I got oil, I got coolant, and now I have transmission fluid. So we have hit all of the fluids. Axles are both out of the car. One of them did like kind of break. The boot was in terrible shape, as you can tell. So this is cooked. This axle for the driver's side needs replaced. Passenger side looks okay. We're about to clean up all the tools. Besides that, we stripped the alternator and all of that shit. It's all stripped. All right, so with that being said, thank you for watching. The Stealth is multiple steps closer to being finished. We're about to just clean up here and then fucking head out. And then, yeah, that's about it. I appreciate you guys so much again, by the way, for 700 subs. Shit's crazy. 300 away from 1K. So I want to see how quick we can hit that. Thank you again for watching. Aaron, you have anything to say? All right, that's all. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace.